Today I would like to share more about the expertise of European handmade soaps. Share with everyone, and want to give some experience to small partners who want to start a business or choose a new project. European handmade soap. We go through the data analytics of our Shanghai Industry Association. Data surveys from 2015 to 2018. The market for domestic demand is growing at a rate of 1.5 to 2.8 times. In 2019到2023, his demand rate is 3.4%负 3.7%. The reason why we are deeply involved in this industry. Because the demand for people in this industry is huge. But his current domestic market share is less than 1%. This is a huge market for us. The potential is huge. Because currently 95% of consumers are still relatively unfamiliar with handmade soaps. And that was to our advantage. It was an undeveloped land, a big land. Business opportunities are full of opportunities for us. So I want to give our entrepreneurial experience in recent years to the friends as a reference. European-style handmade soap depends on its selection of materials and its special craftsmanship, which is its essence. The reason why the handmade soap industry is immature in China. In the early stage, it was because its price was relatively high, and its material selection and production process were relatively cumbersome, so we know relatively little about it. It is only promoted among wealthy people above the middle class, and its proportion is very small. We introduce technology, equipment, and craftsmanship into domestic production. We just want to dig deep in this industry so that more people can enjoy its high quality. Handmade soap is known as a skin surfactant, which effectively removes bacteria from the surface of the skin. It is 2 to 3 times that of regular soap. Its moisturizing skincare is unmatched by general cosmetics. This mainly depends on its selection of materials, plants, fruits, flowers, Chinese herbs. The reason why we are more and more confident in the handmade soap industry. It is because its market share, verification rate, and feedback rate are the best for our industry. The premise of European handmade soap is that as long as it is sold out, our annual customers in the market can account for 90%. This is a very high market advantage that is difficult to replace for sales students. So the more we did it, the more confident we were. In the handmade soap industry, we have encountered a lot of cleaning products first. Sales managers of big names in various industries have established extensive cooperation with us, because they are experts who know the industry well. It is the lifeblood of the cleaning industry at any time. The more we go in this industry, the more confident we are, because we are always seeking market feedback rates. When customers find us, there is only one voice in our heart: our clients are back. The only thing that makes everyone feel is that the customer has come back. Can we buy 2 more sets at a lower price? This is what we hear the most, but we are happy inside. Because the quality in the market is in the soap industry, in the cleaning industry. We can't say invincible, but basically we've got head wash, shower. The groups we target have begun to focus on infants, young children, pregnant women, newborns, and sensitive skin. These people are the minefield of all chemical cleaning products, and everyone can avoid them. We're charging ahead, and what we need from you is real. If there is no quality and no pure natural, you will not dare to cross this minefield. So making handmade soap for nearly 10 years, our main group. Mainly for this corporate customer, we made gifts at that time. But this year, we will fully develop the market and promote it through various channels. Because of our purchase volume, the purchase volume of raw materials, and the current production in for domestic factories, we have a certain scale and we have premium rights in the market. So the price had been depressed. We want to fully boom and benefit more people. I hope more small partners who want to start a business will move forward side by side with us. Make the high-quality cleaning industry's products bigger and stronger. I use products from the cleaning industry every day. This isn't irreplaceable. Wake up in the morning and take a shower before going to bed at night. It's basically common sense. People's quality of life is getting higher and higher, and the quality products they pursue will also get higher and higher. So we are a sunrise industry. At present, the domestic market share is very low because at present a huge job in China is the middle class. The middle class in the country is very large. Therefore, our next step is to continue to reduce the price advantage on this basis. Let more people. I hope you will understand and follow us as we move forward together. Use our products to speak with facts. There is a saying in China, no matter how good it is, I will use it. Who said it works well, but it doesn't work well for me. I will only fully approve of him after I approve of him. We hope that such consumers. Because in this industry, if we can't achieve this other product, we don't want to say more. Therefore, I will spread more of my expertise in handmade soaps to you later. Follow me. Entrepreneurship in this industry will never disappoint you.